There are cool characters and animations on mixamo.com. Pick one you like, then hit download. With these settings, I will download the character and its movements. Then open Blender, File, Import, FBX. Select the file that you just downloaded. Make sure to tick the animation checkbox. You can include leaf bones. Our animation had 86 frames. You can check it on Mixamo. So that's what I set it to. You can check out the different viewports. Hit space or the play button to see the animation in Blender. Now you can disable the skin or bones and use this inside of your own project. Go nuts!